In 2024, researchers unveiled significant findings that have raised concerns about the health implications of consuming unhealthy seed oils, particularly in relation to colon cancer. This research, part of a larger effort to understand diet and cancer, provides crucial insights into how certain fats may influence cancer risk. The role of seed oils in our diet. Seed oils, such as those derived from corn, soybeans, and sunflower, are prevalent in many processed foods and are often marketed as healthier options due to their high levels of unsaturated fats. However, recent studies suggest that these oils may contribute to health issues when consumed in excess, particularly due to their high omega-6 fatty acid content. Groundbreaking research findings. The study, conducted by a multidisciplinary team of nutritionists and cancer researchers, analyzed dietary patterns and health outcomes among a large cohort over several years. The results indicated a troubling correlation. Individuals who regularly consumed high amounts of certain seed oils exhibited a markedly increased risk of developing colon cancer compared to those who opted for healthier fats, such as olive oil or coconut oil. A critical factor identified in the research is the imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in the diet. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential, excessive intake often found in seed oils can lead to chronic inflammation, a known precursor to various health conditions, including cancer. Implications for public health. The implications of these findings are profound. Nutrition experts are now urging consumers to reevaluate their cooking oils and overall dietary choices. By prioritizing oils that promote a healthier balance of fatty acids, such as olive oil, which is rich in omega-3s, individuals may reduce their risk of colon cancer and other inflammatory diseases. Additionally, the study highlights the need for stricter regulations and clearer labeling on food products containing seed oils. Educating the public about the potential risks associated with these oils is crucial for fostering healthier eating habits. Conclusion. As we progress through 2024, the connection between unhealthy seed oils and colon cancer emphasizes the vital role of nutrition in disease prevention. By making informed dietary choices, individuals can take proactive steps towards better health and potentially mitigate their risk of chronic illnesses. This discovery not only reshapes our understanding of dietary fats but also paves the way for future research and public health initiatives focused on nutrition and cancer prevention.